Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make egg tart. Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 2 cups of plain flour, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half cup of unsalted butter, and 1 medium egg. For the filling, we will need 1 can of evaporated milk, 6 egg yolks, and 1 can of condensed milk. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the flour, the icing sugar, and mix them together. Then, add the butter, and using a pastry blender, cut the butter into the flour mixture until it has rough and crumbly texture. You can also use your clean hands to rub the butter into the flour. Now, add the egg and incorporate it into the flour mixture. Then, using your clean hands, gather the dough and knead it until you form a smooth dough. Wrap the dough with cling film and chill this in the fridge for about 1 hour or longer. Spray the tart molds with oil spray, or you can also grease it with butter. After 1 hour, transfer the dough onto the work surface. Flatten it using a rolling pin until it becomes thin. Once it's already thin, cut circles in the dough. Place the circles into the tart mold, press it into the sides, line it with the cling film, and using another tart mold, press the dough, repeat this procedure with the remaining dough. Form the leftover cuttings into a ball and flatten it again and cut another circles. Poke some holes into the middle of the dough using a fork. Chill in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In another bowl, add the egg yolks, evaporated milk, and the condensed milk. And mix them together until well combined. Sieve the egg custard mixture. This is to ensure that the egg custard mixture is completely smooth. Now, put non-stick paper on top of the dough. I'm using cupcake liners. Now, add the beans into the cupcake liners. You can use rice or any pie weights. Then, blind bake this in the oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the beans. Now, lightly brush the bottom of the tart with egg wash. I used 1 egg. This is to seal the bottom and to prevent it from being soggy. Once we put the mixture, put this back in the oven for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, reduce the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. And now, fill each tart with the egg custard mixture. About 90% full. Bake this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. By the way, if you have leftover egg custard mixture, just make another batch of dough for the tart to fill up, or you can also make leche plan with this. And here's our finished product! This egg tart has a creamy custard filling and is perfect for dessert or snacks. This is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!